Hi everybody, this is Albert and welcome once again to my kitchen. Those of you who know me know how much I hate Starbucks. I just have something against overpriced burnt coffee. And so I'm going to make a iced coffee today. That's a direct substitute for whatever Frappuccino, Chino, whatever you get at Starbucks for about a tenth of the price and 10 times the taste. Now, coffee we'll be using is actually instant. This is a Mount Hagen coffee, as you can see from the green cap. It's at our house we drink decaf, mostly because my wife is pregnant, but my friend Rochelle says drinking decaf is like giving a hooker a hug. I don't know about that because I've never given a hooker a hug, so I will leave that up to you guys. But the black cap is the regular caffeinated version, but this organic instant coffee is much better than everything else. So you can try with other ones, but it won't taste as good. I got this one at Whole Foods. The second item we'll need is some cubed brown sugar, and I got this at Whole Foods as well. And the third item is see my big old Coffee Mate non-dairy creamer. And so we shall start with empty glass, and I will put a little bit of decaf coffee or instant coffee in there if you're just using caffeinated, and you'll see I'm putting about a teaspoon and a half. And then we're going to take about 2 cubes. If you like it a little bit sweeter, you can put a little bit more. Like this one's kind of a small cube, so maybe I'll throw in a little quarter small one, broken one. After you do this for a while, you'll kind of get used to how sweet you like it. And then our non-dairy creamer, and I do 3 heaping spoonfuls. 2 and 3. Now, as with any iced drink, you really want to initially break up the sugar, coffee, and creamer. So you need to put a little bit. Here's my thermos of hot water. I'm gonna put about a little less than half a glassful of hot water. And you stir it around until everything gets mixed. Consequently, if you wanted it hot, you can just get a mug, microwave the mug, and same recipe, a teaspoon and a half of the instant coffee, 2 cubes of sugar, and 3 heaping spoonfuls of creamer, and that would give you your instant hot coffee, which, yes, it is still better than Starbucks, and very, very cheap as well. So you want to stir this until I can still feel, you see, a little bit of a sugar cube still left on the bottom. As you stir, thermally you're releasing the heat from the hot water you just poured in, so you can feel the glass kind of getting warm. And right now we're right about there where there's no more sugar cubes and the coffee and the creamer is well dissolved. So I'm gonna move away from the camera for a little bit, and you'll hear me drop some ice. Now, if you have a selection between cube and crushed, you should pick crushed. The surface area on crushed ice is much higher, and so it will melt much faster, and that's kind of what we're aiming for. So let me just about there, and you see the ice. So now we're kind of going to stir, and the original hot mug, hot liquid, and ice cube, stir it around. And how do you know when it's ready? And the glass should become really, really, really cold. And that's kind of how you know it's ready. I'm going to put just a little bit more. And that's good. Stir it around some more. And that's pretty much all there is to it. And this is one of the best, and I've drank iced coffees pretty much everywhere. Taiwan, Hong Kong, Singapore, America, everywhere around the world. And this one is up there. And It's fairly cheap. It's fast to make at home. So how do you know it's very good iced tea? Because it looks somewhat thick. It doesn't look watery, and it should look a little bit creamy. And so stick in a straw and enjoy your 1/10 the price of Starbucks for 10 times the taste iced coffee. Thank you.